Let us start with shoulder elevation exercise. Shoulder elevation in lying. Lie down straight on your back. Clasp both the hand together. Then slowly elevate your hand keeping the elbow straight. Elevate your shoulder to the point where you feel slight pain. Then slowly lower down. Repeat the exercise for minimum of 20 times in single session. Shoulder external rotation in lying. Lie down straight in your back. Clasp your both hands together behind the neck. Now, slowly lower both the elbow up to the point where you feel pain. Then, again slowly raise your elbow. Repeat this exercise for minimum of 20 times in the single session. External rotation cane exercises. Lie down straight on your back. Hold the cane in front of you, parallel to the floor. Now, bring elbow to 90° of angle so as it remains vertically straight. Elbows touching your sides, palms up, and hands shoulder width apart. Slowly shift the cane away from your body in a sideways direction, toward the side of the affected shoulder. Keep the cane parallel to the ground and elbows in contact with your sides. 10 to 20 repetitions is required in a single session. Shoulder pendulum. Begin the exercise by using only the weight of your arm without any added weights. Gradually progress it by holding light weights such as dumbbells, packet of salt, water bottles into the routine. Keep back straight, feet shoulder width apart. Support opposite arm on a table to allow the affected arm to hang straight down with full relaxation of that shoulder's muscles. Using the motion of your body to create shoulder motion, sway your body. Start with small circles, gradually increasing to larger circles. Perform 20 to 25 circles in each direction. Advanced anterior shoulder stretch. Once you have progressed through the previous exercise, you can try the stretch with your arm at 90°, placing your elbow against the wall or at the door. Lean forward until you feel a comfortable stretch in the anterior aspect of your shoulder. Use the same key points for timing, reps from the previous exercise. Hold for 10 to 30 seconds. Perform 5 to 10 repetitions as tolerated. Remember that healing from a frozen shoulder will take time, in some cases a lot of time, but regular and correct exercises combined with proper physiotherapy guidance, it can be cured.